While on routine patrol, a police officer noticed a gray Kia making a U-turn with heavily tinted rear passenger and rear windows, prompting a traffic stop. After the officer explained the reason for the stop, the driver became argumentative and refused to exit the vehicle.
How you doing, sir? Officer Osborne with the key. What, you mind rolling that window down for me? The reason why I put you over is because you're tent. And your window tent. You got your license, registration, proof of insurance.
So he's I got a question, man. So last month, before a couple months ago, I'm going to Miami. I take it off. Not you don't give me. He's just talking to me for the windows. He's not talking to me about the front and the back. He's talking to me about the front. He testing.
You got your license and registration?
I give you. He testing. I go into Miami. I take it black. I just
okay. This tent's illegal. License, please.
No, because the back there is good.
Do I need your license?
The front is okay.
I need your license, registration.
I give you license. The back is okay.
All right.
But the front is good too. I don't. It's not illegal.
Your registration.
I just need your license, sir.
I need your registration and insurance.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off.
Turn the car off.
Turn the vehicle off.
For what?
Get out of the car.
Yeah,
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle. Exit the vehicle.
I give you the license.
Loud verbal order. Exit the vehicle.
You are the people.
Step it up, Randy.
What?
Get out of the car.
Okay, what?
You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
What? For what?
You're under the arrest.
What? For what?
Get out of the car.
Out. Out. No.
I'll fight you one. Get out of the car.
No. So for what?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Go ahead, come.
For what? No.
Step back. We'll talk to you in a minute.
Okay.
711. We're securing him now. We fought us.
Come on.
Sit in the car, please. Okay. Get your ID out, ma'am. Oh, look at that. And you hand over your notice of suspension. Going to jail for that, too. Because you know your license is suspended. And you even have the paper in your hand.
No.
Let's go.
No. Listen. Let me explain you. Let me explain you.
Let's go.
No, let me explain you. No.
Show me something. You got anything on you?
Sit in the car.
Cash in the room.
My license is not suspended, sir.
Okay. Next time the cops tell you to do something, you do it.
No, because
I told you to get out of the car, get out of the car.
Ma'am. You nice too. You supposed nice too.
Come on.
You supposed nice.
Too late. He should have listened the first time.
You supposed nice.
Take a seat.
Do you want your wife to have the money, or
That's my money.
do you want your wife to have it?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Go ahead.
But I'm talking to them, you know.
Put your feet on.
Before when the police stop me, they say like give you ticket.
Who are you? You're his wife?
We're living together. I have two babies. It's my.
Okay.
It's my. I'm not.
Why was his license suspended? For child support with you?
No.
With somebody else?
He just paid the child support yesterday.
Okay.
But the kid is not it's not yours. He have a lawyer, but he say he need to pay for the license. But
Run them both on too.
Yesterday.
His license is suspended. He's argumentative. Didn't want to get out of the car.
No,
Wanted to argue
No,
about
it just-
this tent,
it just
which is
like-
illegal.
He have the receipt.
Tell
He
us
just
this
paid
is okay.
yesterday.
That's obviously black.
No, 100%. Yeah, so what do you cash? You want me to put it in his property, or?
No, she can have everything. She's got to raise his kids.
There you go.
No, it's not my case, you know? Let me explain to you. Yesterday he's just go to pay the child support. Let me ask for the receipt.
What? Why he going to jail?
No.
What? So he got pulled over for tint and being suspended. Okay? Maybe he fixed his license. Doesn't show fixed. His biggest problem right now is when he was told to shut off this vehicle, get out of the car, he don't want to listen to lawful commands.
I know,
we have the right
I
to
know.
tell someone to get out of
I
the
know.
vehicle.
But yesterday just
And then
paid
to
the
fight
child
us
support.
the whole way out the car like he's in charge, he goes to jail. And he's lucky I don't tow this and ruin his life.
Can I call somebody because my English is not very good?
Well, we got a Creole speaker available.
But the license is not suspended.
Call 100. Call 100. Are you available?
Because he needs to pay yesterday, he go pay yesterday.
Okay.
Can I ask him for the receipt, please?
The what?
Can I ask him where he put the
Hold on,
receipt?
I got someone coming who speaks.
No, he can't come.
100. Can we call your phone for a quick translate?
But you see, for the window, it was the front. It was like that.
Yeah, he can't have it on the rear either.
Oh, but the police said he can just put the front out.
Yeah, maybe
but
that was
one
that.
is not a problem.
Maybe that was that cops thing. But it's like, see this?
Oh.
You can't even have it this far down. The front window tint is before the line. There's a line that says VS1 line on it. That's below. This is illegal. This is too far down. That black tint. Can't have that.
Man.
Mom, you don't know that.
You searching?
Yeah, just a moment.
You good with her taking your car, or do you want me to tow it?
Not towing.
Okay, do you want her to take your car, yes or no?
Yeah, just because why I'm arrested.
Because you don't listen to the police.
No, I was.
No,
I
you
listened
weren't.
to when
I don't argue.
Listen, I'm.
Do you want me to have her call somebody? Because you got to learn her. She can't drive.
Where you live at, maybe he can follow you home.
Me? For what?
So we can make sure you get there safe. You're not supposed to drive without an adult in the car.
I know. I'm not driving forward. I let me call somebody come the
Yeah,
car.
that's fine.
Yeah.
So remember, your stops. Look at this. This is limousine tint. I don't even need to put a tint reader on this to tell you. This you can't see through this at all. He's got this tint. He thinks that he's good as long as he doesn't have these tinted. We can't even see him, but this is below the VS1 line or whatever it's called, US1 VS1 line. That's illegal too. All right, we're gonna head out. You'll make sure she gets out here safe. It's about to rain. Yeah. Ma'am, you can sit in the car so you don't get rained on. We're going to be issuing you a criminal citation with a court date. Failure to sign will result in another charge. Are you going to be willing to sign the citation, acknowledging understanding, not an admission of guilt?
I don't speak English.
Okay.
I need to interpret.
So you're refusing? Okay.